What's up? I recently got this Medeco M4 mat, more secure with the power of 4, and so I thought I'd pick a Medeco lock to celebrate. I can't pick an M4, but I do have an X4 that I can pick, so I decided to go ahead and pick this one. This X4 is in a key and lever format with 6 pins. I pinned this back up at the shop to a random bidding, but each chamber ultimately has to equal 19. That's kind of the rule with these key and lever cylinders. And I made sure to put spools in almost every single chamber. The X4 does have some unique security features. It has a small finger pin on the outside of the cylinder that needs to be depressed before the cylinder will turn. So you actually have to pick 2 pieces of this lock. Basically what I'm doing is just going through the lock, picking the top pins, and then eventually hopefully it will fall set, in which case I'll start trying to pick the bottom finger pin. The Medeco X4 isn't Medeco's most secure lock, but it is very versatile. Basically, Medeco creates these in a number of restricted keyways. Many locksmiths will have their own keyway, which they will then issue to customers. And what that does is it keeps people from being able to just randomly duplicate keys. It's probably kind of a bullshit explanation I could have explained better, but yeah, I'm not really a full-fledged locksmith, just a shop rat, so fuck off. All things considered, it's still a challenging pick, and I think we're getting pretty close. Okay, pretty sure I'm in a false set. So we're gonna go ahead and try for the finger pin down in the bottom here. Just really kind of minor pushes and moderate tension. You can see the core moved a little bit there. And I think I'm in a deeper false set. Let's see. Feels like that first pin. I'm gonna see if I can just push that up above the shear line. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's picked. Let's mess with the finger pin again and see if we can't get it to turn over. There we go. And it's open. And it's open. All right, let's move on to the gutting phase. Okay, let's gut this thing. Since this is a key and lever, I'm just basically gonna slide this clip off from the top and take the pins up from the top one chamber at a time. These pins are arranged in a certain way because again, with these key and lever knobs, you have to arrange them so that they add up to 19, but there is no key. So I guess I don't care that much about the order of the pins in each chamber as long as they all equal 19 at the end. This lock is actually put together using the Medeco X4 kit, which is a pretty cool kit. It has lots of different types of masters and drivers in it. Many of them are spools, some are standard. This first contains 2 different spools. Second chamber, we have a spool and a master pin. Third one, another spool and a master pin. Another spool and another master pin. Another spool, another master pin. And this last one is a standard driver, a wafer, and just a normal keep-in. Here's a closer look. Maybe you can see some of that. And yeah, it's a fun lock to pick. Again, these aren't necessarily Medeco's most secure locks, but they are a tricky pick. Thanks for watching.